Hello, this is Guelph me. I own this French door Samsung fridge about 8 years. Today I'm going to share with you what I did to fix this Samsung fridge, freezing the food, and make the eggshell crack. Please leave the comment, hit the like button, and subscribe
for more appliances repair videos. Use the small flat screwdriver to pop up the cover to expose the screws. There are 4 screws total, 2 long screws at the middle and 2 short screws on both sides. Remember that when you reinstall the panel back. After you take off the old screws, gently shake the panel. Remember there is tabs on both sides, and gradually shake it and take it out. There is 2 wire connectors on the upper left corner, and press the connector's tab, remove the connector, and then take the panel out.
I replace the temperature sensor, the thermistor for the fridge compartment. You look at this. The blue connector, the yellow wire, that's for the temperature sensor. They go down and go to the back of this. So what I do, I peel off this. You can see the cable go inside. You take that old one out and put a new one in. Thus I replace the temperature sensor thermistor. And after I replace it, the temperature is at normal range. No freezing food in the fridge compartment. If you want to know how to fix Samsung fridge, no cooling, ice build up and making noise, hit this video. If you want to know how to fix Samsung fridge, water leak, hit down this video. Thank you. Please leave the comment, click the like button and subscribe
for more appliances repair videos.